Specialty Mustang time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Not gonna lie, very partial to this car. Beautiful 2007 Saleen S281 Supercharged Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed actual miles, approximately 5,800 is all in this car. And it shows, of course, the 4.6 liter supercharged V8 underneath the hood, putting out 465 horse, 425 pound-feet of torque. That's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Car number 180 in the Saleen sequential numbers. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Saleen grille. Black on this car, immaculate shape. It's as good in person as it is in the still pictures and the video. This is definitely one well cared for Mustang. Check out the still pictures, look at the underside. I don't think this car has ever been driven in any sort of inclement weather. It is extremely clean on the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the 7-spoke upgraded Saleen wheels, known as wagon wheels in the Saleen world. Slotted disc brakes up front, as you can see. Take a look down this passenger side. There's no nicks, dings, scratches. Aerodynamic kits in these cars really set them apart from just your regular S197 Mustang. Body style, interior, dark charcoal, Saleen embroidered seats. Center console for that 5-speed, of course. Shaker stereo system. Your dual pod, should say dual gauge pod on top of the dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, the center dump exhaust. There's also a copy of the window sticker from Saleen on this car, so you can see what it would have came with and what the upgrades were. It does have 373 rear end with the Maxi grip rear diff. High performance cooling package, and that Saleen window sticker totaled to over $60,000. I think that's back in 2007. Once again, still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. So we take a look down the driver's side. If you like Saleen Mustangs or just specialty Mustangs in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You won't regret it. We get a lot of different Mustangs throughout a year here at Unique Specialty and Classics. The videos are uploaded daily here. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Look at the reflection in that paint. It's like glass or a mirror. Appears that it's wet. Don't think this one's going to last long around here, folks. If you're interested, definitely call in. All right, door panels also looking good. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirror, I should say, both sides. This one does have power driver's seat. And as you can see, there's really no wear hardly whatsoever on that driver's seat. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Let's take a peek at those exact miles. There's your miles, 5756. Obviously, shaker stereo system is working. No check engines, lights, service engine lights, anything like that. Gauge is working. Of course, the Saleen cluster. All right, so boost gauge should be air temp. was a cold start. And absolutely immaculate interior. Top of the dash seats. Headliner. Take a peek at the door panel on the other side. And great sounding cars besides. .465 horse, 425 pound-feet of torque. Not bad, and especially for 2007. Let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open so you take a peek at this engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end of the video. You can see how this car goes down the road. Take a virtual ride in it, if you will. All right, underside of the hood. As you can see, nice and clean and tidy. And that is a functioning heat extractor hood, just so you know. Those vents on the top. There it is. 4.6 liter, 281 cubic inches, hence the S281 Supercharged. Even replaced the battery with a monocraft battery. Like I said, you can tell this thing's been well taken care of. About as clean as they get under the hood. I also wanted to mention, those appear to be the original Pirelli tires on there. Just letting you know, as far as date wise, yes, I understand those tires are aged some. Next collector of this car may want to leave them on, might want to save them for putting on later. We'll leave that up to the next owner, who should be extremely happy with this car. 2007 Saleen S281 Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, appears to be very babied. Just shy of what, 5,800 miles was it? UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics, and like I said, look at the underside of this car. It is spotless. Call us, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2007 Ford Mustang Saleen, which means it's a lot faster than your average Mustang. This is a manual transmission. We have a shaker stereo from the factory working well.
Stevie Wonder on 93.1.
As with most of these modern machines, all our amenities are working as they should. You gotta put your foot just right as to not break loose the tires. And it's a fun to drive car. The temperature gauge is just a little less than half. Volts are a little over half. And the oil pressure also a little over half. Great looking car. I mean, it is low mile and it feels like a low mile machine. The bucket seats have just the right amount of bolster, corner hard in this car, and be comfortable. Up here, boost gauge, air temperature gauge, that's helpful as well. What Saleen did for Mustang. Another great performance add-on. And we're in second, taking the roundabout. Corner's nice and flat, handle's good. Careful not to get on the throttle too much in the corner. Oh yeah, it sounds great. Definitely take a look at all the pictures of this Saleen at UniqueClassicCars.com.